Turn your paper over and we're going to do some more doubles plus 1. So I'm going to do the first little bit with you and then I'm going to have you solve the rest and then check your answers. So 8 plus 8 is 16, so 8 plus 9 is 17. Very good. 7 plus 7 is 14, so 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 plus 1 is 2, so 1 more is 3. 4 plus 4 is 8, so 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 5 is 10, so 1 more is 11. 3 plus 3 is 6, so 1 more is 7. 2 plus 2 is 4, so 1 more is 5. This one's easy, that's just 1. 6 plus 6 is 12, so 1 more is 13. Now 10 plus 11, we did that on the other side, 21. We also did 9 plus 10. Do you remember what that one is? It's 19. 2 plus 2 is 4, so 1 more is 5. 6 plus 6 is 12, so 1 more is 13. 4 plus 4 is 8, so 1 more is 9. 7 plus 7 is 14, so 1 more is what? 15. And now we're getting to the part where you've already solved these, so all you have to do is look above and find the answer. So where did you do 3 plus 4? Yep, right here. So the answer is 7. What about 8 plus 9? Can you find where you did that? Yep, that's 17. 10 plus 11? What's that answer? 21. 1 plus 2 is 3. 5 plus 6, 11. And 9 plus 10 is what? 19. Very good. All right, turn this into your teacher and do what she wants you to do next. Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Last week on our math seat work, we did a lot of work with our doubles facts. So we should have those memorized by now, and if we have those memorized, then it's going to help us a lot more when we're doing work with near doubles. So if you will take a look at your paper, please. What we're going to do is we're first going to solve the doubles fact and show how the doubles fact can help us know the near doubles fact. So 4 plus 4, so I have 4 on top, 4 on the bottom, that equals what? 8. So if I add 1 more, that's the near doubles. See, they're neighbors. 4 and 5 are neighbors. Then I get 9. Okay, so on the next one, I have 7 plus 7. So if 7 plus 7, what does that equal? That equals 14. They're in the same family, so that's the doubles fact. But if I look at the neighbors, like my neighbor just started his motorcycle, my neighbor Brent, so like 7 and 8 are neighbors on the number line. I just add 1 more than this one, so the total is 15. So now you can hear my neighbor Brent running his motorcycle, and that shows that he is my neighbor, okay? So if I know that 8 plus 8 is what? What's 8 plus 8? 16. And 8 and 9 are neighbors or near doubles. That means their answer is 17. Okay, so 9 and 9 are in the same family, so that's a doubles fact. That answer is 18. So if I'm looking at the near doubles or neighbors, then it's 19. Okay, let's keep going. We have 4 more on this side. So 6 plus 6. These numbers are in the same family, so they're going to be 12. And 6 and 7 are doubles, are near doubles on the number line. And we just add one more. So what is that answer going to be? It's 13. Very good. Okay, this one's a bit easier. So I have 3 on top, 3 on the bottom. 3 plus 3 is 6. So if I add this extra one, it's going to be 7. See how those near doubles add together and they make just one more. So this one's pretty big. If 10 plus 10 equals 20, because 2 full 10 frames is 20, and I add one more on the end, that's going to be 21. Okay, the last one on this side, we have 10 is our doubles for 5 plus 5. And so the one more equals 11. What's 10 plus 11? It is